Morning everyone. My name is Arpita Maurya and I am pursuing BTech in Electronics Engineering from Rajki Engineering College, Sonbat. This project is a part of my internship under Emertex Information and Technology, where we learned about C programming, IoT concepts, Arduino and embedded system design using tools like Arduino IDE, Pixim Labs and the Blink IoT app. Our project is titled IoT based home automation system and it has been developed by a group consisting of Arpita Maurya as a team member and also Rahul Yadav and Gauri Devi. The main aim of our project is to automate home appliances using IoT technology so that devices like fans, light and water pumps can be controlled and monitored remotely through the Blink IoT application. Our system also focuses on energy efficiency and user convenience, showing how IoT can make daily life smarter and more comfortable. To our next slide, that is, we cover in first introductory part and second C and C++ programming and IoT, that's mean Internet of Things, Arduino features, embedded system, software requirement, project simulation and conclusion. In this presentation, we will cover the key concepts which we will learn during the internship at Emertex Information and Technology, including C programming, IoT, Arduino features and software tools like MPLab and Pixim Lab. We will also showcase our final project, which was IoT based home automation system. Okay. Slide will cover by a team member. Her name is Gauri Devi.
My name is Gauri Tiwari. Currently, I pursuing BTech in Rajki Engineering College, Sonbat. Along with my team, I have developed this project to demonstrate our understanding of IoT and embedded system. In this project, we have used C and C++ language. These languages help us to control sensor, process data, and communicate with IoT cloud using Blink to automate home device. We use several important concepts of C and C++, such as data type, modifier, and qualifier for declaring variables, conditional loop for automation logic device like turning device on and off, array and pointer for handling sensor data, and string function for modular programming. Classes and object use built-in library like liquid crystal, Blink, and further we use constructor and destructors. Initialize and clean up object automatically. Our C and C++ code connect Arduino to the Blink IoT app via Wi-Fi. It sends sender data like temperature, water level, and light intensity to the cloud, and also receives commands such as turning the light on or off from the mobile widget.
Again, this page will introduced by me, Arpita Maurya. Internet of Things. Introduction to IoT. The Internet of Things refers to a network of physical things embedded with sensors, softwares and connectivity that allow them to collect, exchange and act on data over internet or other communication network. The main goal of IoT is to automate the task. It can automatically make our task in automated form. It can also improve our operations efficiency. It can also enables the real-time monitoring and decision making. It can also improve the quality of the operation. And what is the application of IoT? IoT used in smart homes automations, smart healthcare, smart transportation, smart cities, smart agricultures. So now we move.
My name is Gauri Tiwari. Along with my team, I have developed this project and demonstrate our understanding. On that project, we use Arduino feature which has two portion architecture and software which has digital pins have only two pins that can read or write only two state high or low. Analog pins read a range of voltage value. ADC is convert input voltage to digital number. Oscillator it keeps everything running in time order. PWM pulse width modulation it rapidly switch on and off. Then another portion software we use Arduino IDE and supported language C and C++.
Embedded system. An embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function. We can say that embedded system is a hardware plus software which can combine and form the embedded system. As we can see a real life example, that is gaming consoles, DVD players, and nowadays digital cameras are almost in fame, microwave ovens, washing machines, wireless routers, GPS receivers. These are embedded system which are very common in our day-to-day life. And also embedded system. What is the roadmap of embedded system? Performance and functional requirement. It will basically stand alone and also a real time and network with mobile. And in real time we can use software as well as hardware. Okay. What are the software requirements in this project? The software requirements are Arduino IDE, which we write code on there, Pixim Lab. In that, we simulate our program and get an output, null modem emulator to configure ports of serial remote and Bilink IoT app for cloud server. Okay, these are the software requirement. And now Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE Integrated Development App Environment. The Arduino IDE is a software application used to write, compile and upload code to Arduino boards. It's a super beginner friendly and widely used for programming microcontroller. And in this the key features is to code editor, simple editor to write code called sketches in C and C++. Compilers convert your code into machine reliable instruction. Uploader sends the compiled code to the Arduino board via USB. Built-in libraries, preloaded libraries for sensors, motors, displays, and more. Cross-platforms run on Windows, macOS, and Linux. What is an Pixim Lab? Pixim Lab is a microcontroller simulator, especially designed for micropic, microchip pic microcontroller. PiximLab is a microcontroller simulator especially designed for microchip PIC microcontroller. It allows users to test, debug, and simulate PIC-based project on virtual environment without needing actual hardware. In this, we selecting Arduino Uno board, which Atmega 32-bit microcontroller is built. And next, BuyLink IoT app. It is used to that how to create new template, how to add a device, how to create icon, how to add data stream, how to include BuyLink libraries. What are the requirements of our project? Garden light control. The properties of LDR sensors are applied to accomplish the controlling of garden light. Basically, LDRs are used for the garden light control. Whenever sun rays are on LDR, sun rays are passes or gone in LDR, then it will use their properties to control the garden light. Control garden light on the basis of sunlight intensity brighter the garden light. CLCD. Its full form is Character Liquid Crystal Display is a type of LCD module that display alphanumeric characters and basic symbols. It is commonly used in microcontrollers based projects to show text messages, sensor values or system status. Its application is to test temperature, humidity display, digital voltmeter, home automation system, railway crossing alert, virtual washing machine.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Yadav. I am from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, and I am pursuing my BTech from Kanpur Institute of Technology from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Now I am going to deliver the presentation of these slides. Project requirement: temperature system control. The CLCD screen shows the temperature and volume of the machines, how much heat up and cool down. So we use heater and cooler fans. When the temperature of the home automation appliances reaches about the 35 degree Celsius, then the heater off automatically and the cooler fan is on. Cooler fan is on for stop down the decreasing the temperature of home appliances to protect from sparks, burns. That's very useful for us, and we control from the Blink IoT app. So now I'm going to second slide. Water tank inlet valve and outlet valve. Switch inlet and outlet valve on off. Switch inlet is off when the tank fill ups, and the water need on when the volume of the cereal tank which goes down empty about below the 2000 so 2000 liter, and fill up outlet off and it's increasing from 2000 above. When it reaches to 3000 liters, then outlet inlet valve is off and outlet valve is on. So this is the procedure for the outlet and inlet valves of automation. We see this is our Arduino code for home automation. This is 3 defined templates, blink device and authorized token. So first we export the binary compiled and check this error free. Now we upload onto the Pixim board. So this is our Pixim lab for online simulation. So we can see now that we open the Pixim lab board. These are 4 component input: cooler, heater, and serial tank, and LDR sensor for temperature light dependence register, that is LDR. So we can see the CLCD screen, temperature value and volume value that are so temperature we can for this. First we reset our Pixim board. So first we reset the Pixim board, and then we open the Blink IoT app. So you can see temperature value and volume value are null, that's not shown in the CLCD screen. So we open the Blink IoT app. First Blink IoT app is open. So you can see this is our mobile phone. So from this from this Blink IoT app is on. For the Blink IoT app is there is a screen home automation template is shown. So first we connected our Blink IoT for Ethernet. So you can see there is a tab 1 and tab 2. First tab for temperature, cooler fan temperature on or off, and second tab for serial tank inlet on, inlet off, and second for inlet off, outlet and outlet off. So you can see there is a 2 tab. So we uh, on the connected when we Ethernet connection successfully. So we see the CLCD screen temperature. Now the temperature is about 27.34, and volume tank serial volume tank inlet on 1810. Inlet is on because the volume of inlet tank below the 2008 inlet is on, filling of the tank. So first we see temperature, that the temperature screen that it increases 35 degree, the cooler fan is off on, and temperature is decreases, heater is off. So cooling down to the heater we uses cooler fan to on to decrease the temperature of the heater. So you can see cooler fan on, and then the temperature is decreases. You can see the notification into the our Blink IoT app. So that's the procedure for that. And after that we see in the tab 2 for serial tank. First serial monitor is on. You can see that tank capacity, tank is filling. So tank is filling from 2000 above, and when it is reaches to 3000, the inlet of the serial tank is near off. Now you can see on, from the button we click increases. Now you can see about 3000 is capacity of the volume tank. So off, the inlet is off. Now we decrease the, we open the outlet which for empty the serial tank, but there is a condition for that. When outlet button we press, the outlet below the 2000, the outlet on is off, outlet is stopped, and restarted. So you can see value of the volume here decreases. Now you can see about 1980, the inlet is on, refill the serial tank. So this is our project we from Emertex IoT. So thank you for Emertex, and now I am going to conclude this using
Blinkit IoT application and Pixim Lab simulator for virtual simulation of the home automation, where LED temperature system, cereal tank resemble lights, heater, cooler, and water tank in real time system. So we see from CLCD like dashboard is displaying the how much water level, temperature. We get that show us tab 1, tab 2. Blink IoT app buttons we get are used for control heater, cooler, and inlet and outlet valves of the cereal tank. And gas are the same like temperature, volume of the water displays. And thank you for Emertex to giving us this opportunity. And we learned from this internship lot of things about C, embedded systems, Internet thing, Blink IoT apps, Pixim Lab also. And thanks for the Emertex.